Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kamias wine. First, select about 1 kilogram of fresh, ripe Kamias fruit. Wash them thoroughly and then crush them to extract their juice. Next, you'll need to prepare a sugar solution by dissolving 300 grams of sugar in 1 liter of water. Ensure all your fermentation equipment is completely sterilized to prevent contamination. Once your juice and sugar solution are ready, combine them in a clean fermentation vessel. Now, it's time to introduce your wine yeast. Typically, 1 teaspoon is sufficient for this volume. Securely seal the fermenter with an airlock to allow carbon dioxide to escape while keeping oxygen out. Let this mixture ferment for approximately 2 to 3 weeks in a cool, dark place. After the initial fermentation, it's crucial to rack your wine. Carefully siphon the clear liquid into a new, sterilized carboy, leaving any sediment behind. This process helps to clarify the wine and prevent off flavors. Once racked, seal it again with an airlock for secondary fermentation and aging. For optimal flavor development, allow the wine to age for at least 3 to 6 months. Finally, it's time to bottle your delicious Kamias wine. Make sure your bottles and corks are completely sanitized to maintain the wine's quality. Carefully fill each bottle, leaving a small headspace, and then cork them securely. Store the bottles upright for a few days before laying them on their side in a cool, dark place. Now, you can enjoy your homemade Kamias wine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.